Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well. आज का drug है Ammon Mur. I feel like people do Ammon carb and they remember it, but Ammon Mur is the one which is usually neglected. This is a small video based mainly on Alan's keynote, only 2 slides. So I hope you will enjoy it. Let's start. This drug we're going to do through the mnemonic method, which was also done in Ammonium. You can click on the I button if you haven't watched that video. The mnemonic here is SLOHM We will be dissecting each and every letter of them, and this 8 letters completes our whole Allen's keynote of Ammon Mur. First, we start with the C. Usually in all of my videos, I first concentrate on the constitution. Constitution here is especially adapted to those who are fat and sluggish, large body but legs are too thin. So if you see this C, the C is the body and these are the legs which are too thin, and here is the body. So this is the constitution of Ammon Mur. Then we go on to each letters starting with S. S is for stools. One thing is that wherever there is Mur element, that is Ammon Mur hai ya Natrum Mur hai, the Mur is usually related with constipation. They have constipation as a strong characteristic. So here also the stools will be hard, crumpling. They require great efforts in expulsion, and at the words they crumple off. So this is one important thing, that they are hard, crumpling. So if this is the verge, यहाँ पे बड़ा रहेगा and then it will just crumple out while passing. Forgive me for the diagram. They have variations in color and no two stools are alike. Please comment down which remedy has similar thing, variation in color, and especially no two stools alike property. Next, we go on to the L element. L, if you think, no, there are only two things which come in our mind when we talk about materia. One is liver and another thing is leukorrhea. Here we talk about leukorrhea. Leukorrhea is white of an egg. This is important. White of an egg is also there in calcarea carb and ammon carb. It is preceded by gripping pain around the navel. So around the navel, since it is around O and O is the navel, so gripping pain around the navel, and it is worse after every urination. The color could be white of an egg or brown and slimy. When it is brown and slimy, it is painless. Now we go on to the O element. O is, first thing is that the constipation is obstinate, so obstinate constipation. And second thing from O is offensive sweat of foot. And like we've already said, that O is around the navel. Pain is around the navel. Then we go to the next letter, that is H. H, we have hard stools, we have obstinate constipation. Then one thing which is definitely going to be in that person is hemorrhoids. So we talk about hemorrhoids. There is soreness and smarting pain. There is burning and stinging for hours after stools. Usually hemorrhoids are painless, okay, unless there is a fissure which feels like, because there is pain for hours after stool, means there is a possibility that there is going to be an anal fissure. And the most important symptom is this one, that hemorrhoids after suppressed leukorrhea. Most important as in for 2 marker and an MCQ question. Another thing with H is, which is again a characteristic or PQRS, is that the person feels that the hamstring muscles are short, they are painfully short on walking, there is tension in joints as from the short muscles. So like we've already done half of the remedy. Let's go on to M. M, again, one thing that strikes our mind whenever there is the word M is menses. So menses, the flow more at night, associated with diarrhea, vomiting, and neuralgic pain in feet. Next C is coldness in back and between scapula. Now this C is actually in between this. So I'll just pretend to draw a scapula. So there is coldness at back and between scapula. The second C stands for coryza, which is corroding the lips and it is acrid. And the last C, like we've already discussed, is constitution, which is adapted to fat in sluggish people with large body but too thin legs. So this is Ammon Mur for you people. I've tried comparing it as in where it is required. This is only Alan's keynote, but we are almost 6 minutes and the drug is over. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like the video if you've liked it and comment down your thoughts and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you.